Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now today we're going to be talking about Printify, right? We'll discuss what this platform does and how you can basically participate in here. So Printify, what basically happens here? Now, as the name suggests, right, here you'll be basically creating digital art and actually selling it, right? Like for example, if you're a photographer, you can take photographs, right, and then sell them. Probably maybe put on a mock-up, like on a shirt, or maybe it's a mug or something. So if you're a designer as well, you can just do the same thing. So some of the products that you'll be basically selling here with your designs include the bags, so the shirts, the phones, like phone cases actually. So these are things that you will be doing, right? So you start with the zero investment. Basically, you need your skills, right? The skills, you sign up for a shop, and then you start uploading your designs. So you select your product one with they choose from over like a 1000 top quality products, including brands that you love. And then you add your design, you design a product using fun. Then you start selling, right? And again, I think I did a video about another similar service provider. I think it is called MyPick. I think it does the same things, right? It's a print on demand service where creators sell their art in the form of like maybe in cases or things like that, right? For example, if you've got a logo, you can actually print it on a shirt, on your bag, on your phone case, whatever the case might be. So I did a little bit of research on Printify and it has 4.6 stars out of what 6,507 reviews, which is amazing. So a lot of people are actually happy with this service, and you can actually read some of these reviews to kind of get like insights from these people on how they feel about this platform. One of them said, "Hello, being a seller here is a source of pride, joy, and happiness for me. I highly recommend this place to anyone who does business. And also, in my opinion, Printify offers better support than other similar platforms." So they're actually very, very happy. So for the products, like these are some of the products right here. We've got shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, hoodies, kids clothing, stickers, and so on. So you have a variety to choose from. So how much can you make here? Now I think how much you make here basically will depend on what you've designed, right? Maybe it's a logo or something like that. But usually it will be impacted by the type of product that you're selling, the hoodies, the socks, and something like that. So this quantity and price, you set it for what, $20, $30, maybe one, yeah. So the fulfillment cost for maybe a t-shirt will be $9. So this is how much it's actually cost to print this entire thing and ship it and things like that. Then you need to top up a little bit on how much you want to top on this. And this is an example of what you can make like a monthly selling this. Real people use Printify, right? So this person is actually like a kind of a testimony. They said, "I've been using Printify for about 2 years. It allowed me to quit my job within 9 months. Now I'm in Bali, being a digital nomad and working on my store." They say connect and start selling. So with Printify, you can actually integrate it with top selling platforms, right? So these include like Shopify, Amazon's. Most of these are actually e-commerce stores. Even TikTok, I think they do have a shop. I think you can see something like something that is actually similar to like YouTube and stuff like that. So this platform is basically everywhere, right? Your customers, they're actually located around the globe, right? In America, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, right? So far so good. They've done like 59 plus million total orders that they've done and served more than 209 countries, which is basically amazing. Everything you need to start your own online business. So right now they have more than 34,000 podcasters in their community of sellers. So that they do have a lot of people, influencers, things like that. They've got 100K subscribers on their channel, right? And then have like more than 50,000 attendees that attend their online activities or events like in person, right? And they've had like 100,000 downloads on their podcast channel. 100,000 profitable store owners taking their free and paid courses. They do have like a mentorship program. And they also do provide articles for learning and things like that. So to get started, basically it's free, right? You can come here and click on this platform right here, and it will take you to the sign up page. So if you scroll down first, right, you will see a bunch of options: connect, discover, start selling, learn, and printify. Now the connect, this is where you connect your shop, so wherever you're actually selling your products. So that's eStage, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, Wix, whatever, like that. So you can discover like the brands that are kind of like trending, pricing, something like that. Then start selling the products that you're trying to sell. You are selling custom t-shirts, the hoodies, the mugs, the socks, the backpacks, and things like that. Then on the learn, you learn more about the platform and how you can participate in this e-commerce space. You learn that from the blogs, the guides, the help center in case you need something. Then print on demand, things like that. They also have like jobs as well if you are actually looking for a career, possibly to work here, and you can actually become their partner in business, right? And you can participate in the affiliate program where you refer sellers and things like that. So very, very amazing, right? Launch your business in 4 easy steps. I think I've explained them before. Select, that's the first step. First of all, you choose from over 1,000 top quality products, including apparel, kitchenware, home decor, pet products, and more. You choose your products, the one that you want to put a design on. Then 2, you create. Use their free product creator for beginner friendly tools to design the products of your dreams. Then you think you can design them from the tool, but again, you can actually export like your designs, guys. I think you can do that. If you have like a designer, right, like Canva, you can actually make mockups using the Adobe Photoshop, and then I think you upload those pictures, right? And the third step is to publish, right? If you've designed everything and you've used their platform, then Printify integrates with all popular sales channels like eStay, Amazon. So you publish on either of these stores that you've integrated in your shop in your Printify account, right? Then make money risk-free. So once you make a sale, they have different kind of printers or print providers that will take care of the order, right, from where it is made and where it is packaged until to the customer. So you don't have to do anything. They do that for you, right? What you do basically is to focus on marketing your stuff. That will be all. And then we have like a profit calculator. So this basically calculate how much you're going to make, right? For example, the fulfillment cost, as I've said, is the cost the manufacturer or the people that will be doing the printing of the actual product itself. That will be the cost for you. Then from there, you can put your markup, right, on how much you're going to sell this product for. Start free, then scale with unlimited pricing. So they do have a plan, but for the account. Like, what account are you looking to create here? Do you want a free account, a premium account where you pay like $29 per month, or an enterprise account? And most of these plans, they do have certain features, right? So for free, of course, you've got 5 stores per account. So this is actually for merchants starting a business. If you're starting out, you need a free account. Then you've got unlimited product design, so you can design as many products that you want. Now for premium, this is actually for those that have built possibly massive online stores. And then on premium account, right, you get up to 20% discount on all your products. So your customers might find your stuff cheaper. Then you have 10 stores per account. You can create as much as 10 stores per account. And then you have unlimited product designs. So the management with Printify is you connect. Do you have an amazing stuff? Enterprise is for those that have many sales per day. Then you've got unlimited stores per account, unlimited product designs, additional discount. But again, if you are just starting out, guys, and you don't have many stores, you don't want to create different stores, I'll say that the free account is actually enough. So guys, this is all basically that I know about Printify, and I'll say do your diligence to actually look for the information yourself. And as I can say, like most of these reviews that I can see right now, they're very positive. As you can see, they do have like a 83% positive reviews, 4% negative. So this is actually very good. Apart from that, there is nothing basically that I can say apart from saying like thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.